5-Step Commissions is a simple 5-step online affiliate marketing course revealing step-by-step the 5 core steps you must master to have a successful online affiliate marketing business. You will discover how to set up a winning capture page and autoresponder, how to find offers in any niche that are willing to pay you instant paid commissions, current free traffic methods with social media and video syndication, paid traffic sources that will bring you autopilot leads daily, leadership training, where you'll learn how to convert leads into sales, and much more. Here's what you'll be receiving today. Access to our affiliate link Rotator Plus Fast Track Affiliate course. 5 step-by-step videos covering the core fundamentals of starting an affiliate marketing business online. 5 exclusive free bonuses where you will discover how to set up a website in minutes, set up a Google AdWords campaign, and convert leads into autopilot sales. You'll also learn Online Marketing 101, 7 ways to grow your business faster, and how to create a responsive list from scratch. My story. It was around 2012 that I decided to make a change in my life. Before then I was a college grad, working a full-time job that wasn't in the field I majored in, hanging out with the wrong crowd, and just partying every weekend to celebrate not being at work. I decided that this routine was not going to help me reach my bigger goals in life. The life of travel and spending more time with my family. I turned to affiliate marketing because the thought of earning unlimited commissions anywhere in the world was appealing to me. I could travel and get to see my family as often as I would like while earning a full-time income. I went feet first all in and failed. See, I didn't know how to market or close sales. I thought if I blast my link to 1 million people surely I would make $1 million. Right, I was wrong. It wasn't until I started writing down step by step what I should do to make commissions that I saw growth. Every day I would ask for advice from other successful marketers and every day I would try one of the things they told me to do. I originally had a list of 20 things to do. I put in a full-time effort with my list of 20 different ways to market and finally got my first commissions. I was excited. I kept going at it every day. I was addicted. Every day I would start keeping track of what was working for me and what wasn't. I would take a few things off the list and keep marketing with a full-time effort. As my list was narrowing down to 10 steps, I was seeing commissions coming in left and right. It was life-changing. I was earning a full-time income and getting paid every day. I finally got to travel and see a few things. I went to the White House in Washington, D.C. I went to Orlando Studios in Florida. Even hiked in the mountains of California. Not to mention, I would literally set up my office anywhere. In my hotel room. Or in the car on the road. I finally was reaching the goals I truly wanted for myself and my family. You see, having a great time visiting my family, going on vacations, finally got me to seriously focus on my business and target my list down to 5 things. 5 steps I do every day to make a full-time income from home. Sometimes I try new things here and there. However, today I only do 5 main things to make even more commissions than I did when I first started out. Now I spend my days traveling, documenting it for my friends, visiting my family, and hosting events motivating people to create their own winning routines. That's why the 5-Step Commission course was created. To help my fellow entrepreneurs save time and reach success in only 5 steps. I look forward to working with you. Here are some of my results. Your membership with 5-Step Commissions includes access to our affiliate link Rotator Plus Fast Track Affiliate course. 5 step-by-step videos covering the core fundamentals of starting an affiliate marketing business online. Over 120+ minutes of over-the-shoulder tutorials breaking down the 5 steps. How to set up a winning capture page and autoresponder. How to find offers in any niche that are willing to pay you instant paid commissions. Current free traffic methods with social media and video syndication. Paid traffic sources that will bring you autopilot leads daily. Leadership training, where you'll learn how to convert leads into sales. 5 exclusive free bonuses where you will discover how to set up a website in minutes, set up a Google AdWords campaign, and convert leads into autopilot sales. You'll also learn Online Marketing 101, 7 ways to grow your business faster, and how to create a responsive list from scratch. Ready to take the next step? Get instant access to all the course material above by clicking the Get Access Now button.